Hi, Bunny. Flea and I would like to know if you want to go outside and play.
Hi, Coco and Flea. Come on in. I would like to go out and play, but I'm working on my gratitude and kindness journal right now.
That sounds like fun.
It is. After reading the Kindness Pack story about how the flea that lives on your head and you agreed to be forever kind to each other, I decided to make a Kindness Pack too. Then I decided to make a kindness and gratitude journal.
I like that idea, Bunny. Could I make a gratitude journal too?
Sure! I would be glad to show you how to make a journal, then teach you how I'm using mine to save happy thoughts, like 3 things I'm grateful for every day, and 3 acts of kindness that I see, do, or experience.
That sounds great. I'll do the same thing too.
Great!
Absolutely, Flea. You can do a gratitude journal too. Let's all make a journal. Even you. Let's all make a journal.
Yay! Quick, everybody!
So, Bunny, before you show us how to make a journal, would you like to tell us the 3 things that you're grateful for today?
Of course, Coco. I'm grateful for carrots!
You are so funny, Bunny. I should have known you were grateful for your favorite food.
Want to know my second thing, Coco?
Sure. What's the second thing you are grateful for today?
More carrots!
Oh, Bunny.
Before I tell you the third thing I'm grateful for, Coco, tell me what you're grateful for today.
That's easy, Bunny. I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for Mama, Maisie Lou, Flea, and you.
Quick!
Of course, Flea. We're friends for life like we promised in our kindness pact.
Aw, thank you, Coco.
You're welcome, Flea.
Coco, what's the second thing you're grateful for?
That's easy too, Bunny. I like my favorite blanket because it's so soft and helps me fall asleep at night.
You slept with your blanket last night, Coco, and I noticed that you were sleeping so soundly that you even snored a little bit. Could I please borrow your blanket when I can't sleep at night? I promise not to snore too loudly.
Of course you can. I don't mind sharing my blanket with you, Bunny. Sharing makes my heart happy.
Thank you, Coco. Sharing makes my heart happy too. That's a good thing to be grateful for. But before we forget, what's the third thing you're grateful for?
Well, speaking of sharing, I'm grateful for sharing the new playroom that Mama gave us. I love reading stories and making new crafts here every day, like this journal we're making later. But now it's your turn again, Bunny. What's the third thing you're grateful for today? And let me guess. The third thing is orange and crunchy and sounds like cake.
Coco! My third thing is you, Coco, and Flea, and Mama, and Maisie Lou, and everybody.
Oh, thank you, Bunny. Let's promise to be grateful and kind to each other every single day. Even when we're having a bad day, we can remember that we have each other.
Quick!
Flea's right. There's always room for love.
Quack, quack, quack!
I like that idea, Flea. Happy dance time!
Happy dance time! Quack, quack, quack!
Construction paper or cardboard or any other color paper, felt tip pens and crayons, paper, any paper that you have, ribbon, string, or shoelaces, flowers, stars, and pom-poms, or you can draw them yourself, hole puncher, and glue.